Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking bacon in a microwave. This is so easy and the bacon comes out so good. So I'm just going to put a paper towel on a plate, or you can just put it directly in a microwave. So we need paper towel to absorb bacon grease, and we'll add a few slices of bacon on a paper towel. So you can cook as many slices as you want, and the cooking time will be the same. So here's bacon prepared on a paper towel, and now let's put it in the microwave. And now I'm going to cook it for 3 minutes. So now the microwave is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this bacon. It looks amazing, perfectly cooked. Let's take it out. So 3 minutes was just the right time to cook this bacon so it's crispy. And all the microwaves cook differently, so if yours is not cooked, you can add another minute. Or if it's too crispy to your liking, cook it for 2 minutes instead of 3. So just find the time that works for your microwave. But for mine, 3 minutes makes perfect crispy bacon. It looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Look at that bacon. Perfect. This is so good. I love perfectly cooked crispy bacon. It's amazing. And so easy to make in a microwave. So much easier than a stove or by any other method. For a pre-printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!